Hey, and welcome to 90-Second Knowledge, a series of short video tutorials aimed at helping you get the most value out of your digital marketing for your small business. In episode 5 of the Google Analytics series, we're going to take a look at how to test the tracking you've just set up. If you don't test what you've done, you're going to come back at another time and potentially find it's not worked as you expected or data is missing. So let's get 90 seconds on the clock and take a look at how to test the Google Analytics tracking. So once you've installed Google Analytics, you're going to want to check that it's recording data correctly. The easiest way to do this is just to log straight into Google Analytics and have a look around. You can get tools online to do this and they're free. Go and use those if you want to, but it's just as easy to come and log into Google Analytics and you also get used to the platform. Now there's no data in the profile that I've set up at the moment, but I've got a profile from a project I've worked on previously that was in development. But what we want to do is check that it's recording live data as we expect to see it as we move around the site. The blue panel here, active users right now, is perfect for this. What it means we can do is we can go to the website, have a click around a few pages, and this will show us the data that we're tracking, that we're clicking on. So if we go to the page for this website and we can start to just click on a few different pages, and then if we go back to Google Analytics, we'll see some page views appearing here in this graph. And what you'll see in top active pages here, you'll start to see that change as you click on different pages. And if you click into the real-time report, you can start to see that in a bit more detail. So you can see the page views that we clicked through in succession and they're being shown there. That says to me that we're tracking data and I can see it's a desktop device, which I know I'm on. And that reassures me that I'm starting to see the data coming through in an accurate fashion. Once we can see this, we know Analytics is starting to record information, and in the next video I'll show you how to start understanding and interpreting that information. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you back here for the next video.